Hey everybody, my name is Danielle Wheeler and welcome to my YouTube channel, Willing Towards Success. The topic for today is establishing a wardrobe. I chose this topic because I could never understand why my mom was always on my case about my belongings. Dan, you should buy this shirt because of this. Dan, you should take care of this shirt because of that. It's like, ugh, moms, I tell you. But now I understand. Ladies, here's a few items that I learned every girl should have in their closet. One are neutral color shoes like black because they go with everything. Two is a purse, so we can put all of our stuff in our purse, like sanitary products, money, your lip gloss so your lips be popping, the whole shebang bang. Three, a statement piece such as earrings and necklaces because it gives you that extra boost of confidence. And four, my favorite are all year round items like jeans because you can literally wear them for every season and it goes with everything. But the list doesn't stop there. That's just what I was taught. As for me, I love t-shirts. I'm not sure if you noticed or not, but in most of my videos, I have a t-shirt. I love them, they're comfortable. And I also like light jackets like the one I'm wearing because I'm always cold. So here's an additional tip for you ladies, like referencing back to my mom, make sure you take care of your clothing. Not even your clothing, just any of your belongings, because you'd be surprised like how they can last for a long time. I have a hand-me-down jacket that I've had since 8th grade that's still in good condition, that I still wear to this day. Like, I'm just surprised. But that's the thing about fashion. Like, it's all about how an item makes you feel, like if you like it, because nobody else's opinion matters. I hope you ladies found this episode helpful. Continue to build your wardrobe with items that you love, that make you feel empowered at the end of the day. And thank you all for tuning in. I've had so much fun today. Bye.